Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use that flower funnel for a reverse flower dip that I said last time that I will. You know, this is this thing that you can get from paint pour store, and I did kind of trying to find the middle. Last time I just poured it and spin it, but today I will try to, you know, do a reverse flower dip, and we will see if this work. And because it's an experiment, I will just use Amsterdam oxide black and my pearl white mixture. You can check the description box for my mixtures and link to the store with discount code. So I will start with some black, and this should be tricky for the amount of paint that you use, I don't know. And pearl white, and I'm adding less pearl white than black. And black again, and pearl white again, and black again, and pearl white. Whew, I don't know, this could turn out as total gray mess. And black, because you see they don't stay separate as much, and probably they will mix too much for a reverse flower dip, but we will see. Maybe I have to add way more black. Let's see. Just a little bit of pearl white, but it all turned out gray already, so I don't know if this will work. Black again, more black. Pearl white. And black again, and I will stop right there. Because I think that this will not work as I hope. I don't know. I will just do some petals here towards the outside. And I'm pretty sure that this will be pretty much gray flower. I don't know. I will leave that black in the middle because I will, you know, use my paper napkin, and I will kind of drag this paint towards the middle anyway. And even though that I mark my middle, it's off-centered. So I sprayed my napkin, and let's see, down. The other half. I'm kind of sure that this will not be a substitute for flower-shaped cups for reverse flower dips. So let's see what is underneath. I know that it will be gray at first, but hopefully I will get some lacing out when I will torch, but I don't know, because paint mixed quite a lot when I layer it into this funnel. So leave that as I thought. Let's torch it. And the center is definitely not as nice as with the bottle bottom. So let's give it a spin, because maybe something will come out. I need a little white on this part. So it's definitely not a substitute for the flower-shaped cup. Okay, so as you can see, I will torch it just once more if some lacing will still appear, but obviously not. So maybe I should, you know, from the beginning start, because here I did less white and more black, and I get some of this lacing, but I think that this cup, it shouldn't be, it can't replace your flower-shaped cup, because with the flower-shaped cup you just get more defined lines that here you don't. I just want to bring a little bit of this white kind of towards here. What I have on my skewer, something is on my skewer. I have to grab another one. See, I almost, let's do it just with my finger, maybe finger painting again. I would love to have a little more white in the middle. I was because I thought that it will be, you know, similar than with the flower shaped cup, but it's not. And now I have this really, I want to have black in the middle, but maybe not as black as it is. And I really don't like this guy here. I just play a little bit with this part here to maybe create a little more flower center kind of. Okay, I think that I like this a little more. Not bad. Different. Not bad. Maybe I will just touch a little more here because now this part bothers me a little bit. Different. Not bad. But I don't know. Kind of like it that it is off-centered, so maybe with this technique I can even do, you know, greens first to have greenery around here and then a flower in the middle. So tell me in the comments if you want me to try that, to maybe start with some greens that the greenery will be around, and maybe some other colors in the middle to have a flower of a different color. But it's kind of interesting anyway. So another experiment. It's definitely fun gadget to play with. So if you want to check those split cups and different 3D printed gadgets for pouring, go to paintpourstore.com and use my 15% off coupon, and tell me if you want me to do another one with maybe, as I said, with different colors. But today I just thought, okay, I will just go with black and white and see what will happen. So this is it for today. Have a nice Sunday. Join me tomorrow 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for my live stream, or I see you on the next one. Bye.